Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, we have our very special guest, Donna from It's Arts by Donna. Super amazing person, dear friend of mine. I just love her to death. She's just, she's amazing. You should go check out her channel. She does a bunch of resin stuff, just really cool stuff. So I will have her link in my description. Please go check her out. Show her some love. Hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of her cool videos. And just, you don't want to miss out on her. So go show her some love. After her, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, we have Sis, or Bubbles, from Venom Fluid Art. After her, we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and sometimes my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so I have put a pillow paint down. I am just going to do some loaded palette knife swipes on this huge chalkboard piece that I have covered with Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in Tricorn Black. I've used some chalkboard pieces before and it's come out really cool, so I'm running with it. I found another piece and said, oh yay, so we're gonna go with it. I have all purples and blues. We're rocking the purples and blues today. I'll just tell you the colors as I put them down. I think I'm gonna start out with this palette knife and just throw some colors on and let you guys watch. So I don't know how quite I'm going to do this because I have no room on my table. Maybe if I do it over here. Let's do it over here. Okay, I'm just going to set it down here and hopefully you guys can see me do this.
Lonesome tripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed. Or was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets who made. You getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain. You're new to me, I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets who made. You getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain. You're getting into my brain, 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 you getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Alright guys, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. I put my light on so you guys could see the shimmer in it. It's not my favorite, but it was fun. I love to swipe, so I always have fun when I swipe. It is pretty. The colors are beautiful. They really are. It's really even prettier in person. But alright, so up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, we have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. After her, we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman. So don't go anywhere. If you missed anyone before me, please go back and watch. We had Tazzy and Sweet Wombat and our special guest, Donna, with It's Arts by Donna. So make sure you watch them as well. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a great day or great night, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.